Welcome to the Tidal Cyber Enterprise Edition. Today, we'll be showing you a video demonstration of the integration between Tidal Cyber and Trend Micro Vision 1. To get started, let me walk you over to the Trend Micro Vision 1 product. As you can see, it has 0 capabilities defined under it, but using the integration, we'll be able to connect to your Trend Micro Vision 1 instance, take a look at your detection models, be able to pull them, and for those that have attack mappings, we'll be able to represent them in the platform. We will also be able to synchronize your enabled or disabled status, as well as if new models get added or removed, we can keep those in sync in the platform. Now, to configure this integration, we're going to walk over to the available integrations. You would click on the Trend Micro Vision 1 product and provide the 2 values required to enable this integration: an API token and a region, depending on where your instance has been deployed. Once you provide the required information, hit create. A new connection will be created. Head over to active connections, and you should be able to see the new connection for Trend Micro Vision 1. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'll click Run Enable Integrations now. Because this is the first run, it might take a bit more time to get all the results back, but once it's done, we should be able to see an updated last successful run, as well as the enable state for the integration. All right, the integration set has now finished running. I'm going to walk over back to the product page. You can see 0 capabilities. We refresh the page, and now we can see 1,600 new capabilities created, whether they are off or on, depending on the on what detection model this is. I'll click on one for demonstration purposes. You can see the source integration Trend Micro, whether it's on, what kind of technique is mapped to that specific detection model. And now I'm going to walk you over to the other part where we now take a look at Trend Micro Vision 1 inside of a defensive stack. This is the one that I put up for the example. You can see the Trend Micro product. You see it has no data. I'll refresh the page. And now I can see that there is an integration tied to this Trend Micro Vision 1 instance. It says it's active when it last ran. And similarly, it'll pick what specific capabilities are on or off based on the information that we were able to pull from the integration. And now I'm going to show you a coverage map that also has the Trend Micro product in use. And one of the things that I want to show you here as the page loads is that we were able to see a bump by the new capabilities added to this product, the changes that were made, what kind of recommendations are given to you based on the capabilities that are on or off, well as the capability utilization. If we walk down here to Trend Micro Vision 1, we can see 78% of the total capabilities are in use, as well as specific recommendations from the Trend Micro Vision 1 product. For instance, if I click on any of these capabilities, you should be able to see the current technique score, the impact that each of them would have for a specific tactic version of that technique. So as you can see, default account touches on this for different tactics and the level of impact that each of them would have. And the same could be said for any of the others recommendations that are here. All right, and this should cover this part of the demo. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and we should be able to help you from there. Thank you.